My name is Russ Merritt, and you are watching Paddle and Hook. In this Delaware-based series I'm calling Small Wonder, I chronicle a journey into my local waterways and wild places to see what opportunities await. In this video, we head a few miles east of the town of Milton to Prime Hook National Wildlife Refuge. The 10,000-acre refuge provides habitat for a reported 308 species of birds, 51 species of fish, and 37 species of mammals. It is made up of woodlands and marsh, explorable through 6 miles of hiking trails dotted with observation decks and scenic stops for birdwatching. Excited for spring fishing, my friend Josh and I decided to explore Terkel Pond to see what, if anything, would take a lure. Thanks. I'm just trying to stay dry, honestly. This is my first time ever being here, but right now, right here, about 1.5 feet. I don't know. I hear it's pretty shallow. Whoa. I just saw a crappie jump right here. All right, so it's mid-March. It's about 48 degrees. It's a little early, a little cool here to be fishing fast-moving baits, but I want to do it so I can cover some territory. My buddy Josh said he's going to go with the jig. I guess we'll compare notes at the end of the day and see what happened. Okay, I'm going to try that spot where I saw a crappie jump when I launched. I'm going to try that general area and hope for the best. Oh, got him. Got him. Dang. Let's see, what have we got? Pulling a little drag too. All right, no crappie, but definitely a decent little bass. Look how brown that water is. Holy cow. All right. Not too shabby. Fish number 1, healthy looking little bass. Very active fish. He felt warm too. All right, that's the trouble with paddleboard fishing in the wind, right there. I'm like so far from where I started out 30 seconds ago. I managed to lose 2 other bass while Josh landed some perch and this carp. This was a fun little session, so I decided to come back a few days later with my son Jackson and daughter Avery to explore some more. Fish. I didn't have the camera rolling. First cast had a fish. Oh, got him again. On this little micro jig with a sexy shad. What have I got? A little white perch. Cute. All right, this has some promise on the micro jig. Let me show you what I've got here, what I'm dealing with. Teeny tiny jig head with a Tennessee sexy shad. That's where I wanted that last cast, about 1 foot up. It's good you're keeping us right here, yep. You're doing a good job. Oh, that was probably a stick. Can be. Sometimes though, after you pull off of something like that, you shoot away and it draws the fish's attention. Like that. Oh, got him. Oh, this one's fighting a little harder than the last one for sure. What have we got here? Oh, a nice white perch. Holy cow, that's what you call a keeper white perch there. It's about 8 inches long. I think the Delaware limit's 8 inches. We're not going to keep any perch today, but wow, a lot of fun. What a pretty fish. Oh, Jackson's got one. Nice. On the rooster tail. Good job, dude. Haul some back here. Jackson got a hella white perch. That's the biggest one of the day, of our 3. And the day just started 20 minutes ago, but
he bit us so salty. I didn't think I caught anything.
Look in there. Let's see what you got for teeth. Not much. Kind of a little bassy mouth there. Oh, look, they're spawning. Look, well, I guess that's a boy. They're spawning. He's got the spawning milk on him. Let's let him go. Oof. Oh. Holy cow, man. I'm glad I'm not swimming in that. There were a ton of active carp in the area. We anchored up and targeted them, but had no luck this time. My friend Josh and I are out here trying to get me on my first carp. I was hoping to check off a new species on my list today. We got some corn. We're out here in a shallow pond. Carp are popping everywhere. I'm hoping and thinking we're gonna get it done. They're like ancient. Oh shit, I got one this whole time. Just dead sticking it.
Here's your carp.
No way.
Gotta be, yeah.
Dead sticking it like that? No, I think it's a perch. I can't see it yet. It's a nice perch.
Wow.
That's a good perch. All right, guys, the method is to let it sit and do nothing. Josh is like working it out. Look at that little fella. I just had it sitting on the bottom. All right, let's see what we got going on here. No sperm, no eggs flying out. All right, fella. Naming him? I'm naming this guy Remus. Damn, there's some serious jumping going on over there. Some carp. See, this is what happens. I get so distracted, but like, I caught a fish. Who cares about carp? And I lose sight of the mission is to catch a carp. Got one? Nice. Dude, if you catch a carp, I'll be like, all right. That's a nice perch right there. Not as big as that last one. Dude, he's got some claw marks on him. Something got a hold of him. A heron or something. All right, buddy. You know what's funny? You know when you're not catching, you tend to work it harder. Every time I dead stick it, slow it down, it's when they bite. Good stuff, dude. Hold on, let me get a shot of you with a fish, which I never do. Nice.
Not the size you're getting.
Don't you dare throw
Do it, you gotta do it. Fish shower. We didn't catch any carp, but the beautiful sunset and active perch made a great ending to the day. So I've had my fill of Terkel Pond for a few days. I headed right up the street here to Fleetwood Pond, and I'm gonna try my luck here. It's a little exploration, just to see what species are there, what the depth's like, what the structure and terrain look like, etc. This should be interesting. Ooh, gotta go low. This place is just so cool. I love the launch. It's kind of fun and wildernessy. You know, it's not a big boat ramp. It's just a little launch down this little channel. As soon as I get out of this channel though, in the tree cover, as soon as I get out of here, it looks like it's gonna be pretty windy. It's pretty cool to see so much life out here. I've seen, you know, eagles, hawks, a ton of beaver evidence. I've not landed a fish yet. I've only had a couple of bites, but it's a beautiful place to be. I'd rather be catching fish, but it's still a pretty cool experience out here. I'd recommend coming out here in like a kayak or something to explore. All right, got something decent on here. Holy crap, this thing just came out and inhaled my trout spinner. What have I got? Oh, nice little bass. Good looking little largie. Gorgeous. I caught him right off that little point of sticks over there. Thank you, sir. You are saving the day. All right. This guy hit and fought like crazy. Can't believe how much power this little fella had. It's so dark and black too. What a healthy fish. All right, fella. Thanks for biting. See you next time. I only boated one fish in this session, but came back with the kids 2 days later to explore Fleetwood Pond once more. We just realized he was hooked. That's a decent bass. That was such a good looking, nice, good looking spot back there. Oh man, he's going crazy with that Senko.
Do you need any pliers?
They're right here, I got him. Oh yeah, he's a nice one.
Yeah, I can get the line. I like fishing. Oh my God,
man.
that's huge.
Oh, nice. Check that out. Not bad for my first fish in Fleetwood Pond today. What do you think, guys?
It's really nice.
We haven't been here very long.
Can I hold him?
What a healthy looking bass right there. God, nice and dark. He choked that Senko. There's a laydown over there and it just looked good. I fished it with the topwater, but I saw a little bit of sandy bottom, what I could see from here. So I thought maybe there's a bed. I tossed this up on it and then we were in business. All right, hold him for a minute. I gotta do the release in a second. This guy fell for a slowly presented Senko worm. He hit it on the drop. All right, let's let this guy go. Thanks for biting, so appreciate it. We thoroughly enjoyed our time at Prime Hook. I'm quite certain that we will come back this summer when the fishing heats up. In our next episode of Small Wonder, we fish in and around Lewis, Delaware. Be sure to check it out. And thanks for watching Paddle and Hook.